If you're running a business and drowning, conventional wisdom says to hire someone. But hiring takes months, and until then, you actually have more on your plate, not less. In this video, I'm going to share how I solved this problem with Claude and now run my business with 0 employees. 6 months ago, 60-hour work weeks were the norm for me. That's because nothing in my business moved unless I pushed it. So I was stuck doing sales, marketing, operations, and delivering services. The worst part of this is that I was so busy working in the business that I had no time to work on the business and take it to the next level. But all that changed this year. Back in March, I started slowly delegating the day-to-day tasks of the business to Claude. And the way I did this are through so-called skills. Skills are just reusable instructions that teach Claude your business context, processes, and tools, so you don't have to re-explain every detail of your business every time you want Claude to do something. For me, this started with simple things like writing emails, daily briefings, and creating slide decks. But today I have dozens of skills automating essentially every part of my business. Here I'm going to share the 8 that have made the biggest impact to hopefully give you some ideas of how you can delegate your busy work to Claude. The first skill turns Claude into my business strategist. While Claude is a super helpful brainstorming partner, it's a pain to have to explain every detail about the business every time I want feedback on it. This skill solves that pain by giving Claude key context about me, my business, and where it can learn more. And this last point is a key feature of the skill. Almost everything about my business lives inside my Notion workspace. So instead of having to explain what I talked about in last week's sales calls or how many workshops I taught last month, Claude can simply grab this context itself. The main impact of this skill is that it makes it easier for me to work on the business as opposed to in the business. Before, if I wanted to gather data about my sales pipeline or my ideal customer, it required manually jumping between apps and looking through spreadsheets. Now, Claude can gather and synthesize data for me so I can focus all my attention on the things that matter. The next skill teaches Claude how to write emails that actually sound like me. So instead of spending an hour every day writing emails, Claude drafts them and has them ready for me to send in my Gmail account. The main tool that makes this possible is Claude's Gmail connector. This gives Claude access to my email account so it can do things like search my inbox, read entire email threads, and draft replies. To build this skill, I'd simply told Claude to read through my past emails and to codify them into a skill. It includes common email templates like sales call follow-ups and how to do 3-way intros, and also tells Claude how to create templates on the fly based on past conversations with similar context. While this has been a big help with ad hoc emails, the biggest impact has been the recurring emails that happen around sales and delivery calls. More specifically, I now have this skill running every morning, so Claude will automatically draft pre-call emails, session follow-ups, and nurture leads. The third skill turns Claude into a business development rep. Before using Claude, I'd spend days reviewing my LinkedIn connections, picking out prospects, qualifying leads, reaching out to them, and staying on top of follow-ups. Today, however, Claude handles this process end to end. Here's how it works. The skill teaches Claude how to review my LinkedIn connections using the Chrome tool. It then qualifies the leads using research agents. For each outreach campaign, it'll spin up a dedicated CRM in Notion to keep track of all the leads. And finally, it'll draft personalized outreach DMs and emails. Doing this myself would easily take an entire day of research and outreach for just 50 leads, but now I can do the same volume in just a couple of hours with a fraction of the mental load. Another skill that has transformed my customer acquisition process is for copywriting. As a recovering technical person, sales and marketing is not my biggest strength. That's why I created a skill that synthesizes copywriting best practices from pros like Harry Dry and Alex Hormozy so Claude can write copy that doesn't suck. This includes principles like grounding copy in real customer language, selling outcomes not features, and specificity over vague descriptions. A notable feature of this skill is that it can easily be mixed and matched with other skills like my email helper, outreach, LinkedIn post writer, and sales letter writer to improve copy no matter what channel or platform. For example, when writing an outreach script, I can use this skill to improve my DM template, and then in the next moment, use the same skill to update the copy on my website landing page. This single source of truth is important because it avoids duplicating these principles across multiple skills and makes it really easy to update them in one place. A skill that I use every single day is one for my CRM. For years, I've tried to use a CRM to track my sales pipeline, but nothing has ever stuck. The biggest challenge for me is keeping the CRM up to date as new leads come in or existing ones respond. But this skill makes this process super simple. Now, every morning, Claude uses this skill to review my email account, calendar, and Notion to ensure every lead in the CRM is updated and accurate. So instead of me having to constantly context switch between replying to leads and then filling out the CRM with lead source, status, last contact date, next contact date, and so on, Claude does all of this for me automatically. Additionally, this skill will use Email Helper to automatically draft notes to leads that go cold to ensure no opportunities fall through the cracks. Taking all of this operational stuff off my plate allows me to give more attention to the things that matter, like building relationships and taking more sales calls. Another skill that I run on a daily schedule is called pre-call research. This skill automates the 10 to 15 minutes of research and prep that I do before any call. While this is generally not a big deal, it does become a problem when I'm jumping between back-to-back calls. So now every morning, Claude will do research on the web and throughout my Notion account to gather context on who I'm talking to and put together a few key talking points. The value of this is now anytime I hop on a call, Claude has preloaded the call Notion page with everything I need to know about the prospect, their company, and any past interactions that we've had together. This allows me not only to spend less time doing research, but it allows me to have higher quality conversations with prospects and ultimately close more deals. The next skill that has changed the way I work teaches Claude how to build custom proposals for clients. Before this skill, I'd usually hop off a sales call and then spend an hour duplicating an old proposal and then customizing it for a new engagement. Not only was this time consuming, but it was also pretty easy to make a simple mistake. However, now Claude can use this skill to automatically get context from the sales call page and me and draft a proposal in minutes. I'll also couple this with my email helper skill to automatically draft a call follow-up that includes the proposal. The impact of this is I spend much less time on the admin work and more time focusing on my clients' needs and getting them results, which ultimately leads to higher quality services. The final skill manages a database of all my past and active client engagements. Like my CRM, my engagements database lives entirely in Notion. This is important because not only is this an easy place for me to access this information, but it's just as easy for Claude to access using the Notion connector. The result of this is that Claude and I can easily work together to stay on top of payments, deliverables, and strategy. For example, I recently used this skill along with my CRM and business strategy skills to have Claude help me analyze my ideal customer avatar. It did this by cross-referencing which clients were easiest to close, who paid the most, and were the most satisfied with their services, which helped me niche down to helping mid-sized B2B SaaS companies with their AI transformation. I hope hearing about all the things that I've delegated to Claude gives you some ideas of what you can do with it. If you want to get your hands on these 8 skills, you can download them for free at the GitHub repo linked in the description. However, since these skills are unique to my workflows, they may not be directly applicable to your work. So if you want to start onboarding Claude to your workflows, check out this video next, where I walk through the simple 4-step framework I used to build these 8 skills and the dozens more that I use to run my business.